Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to send messages on WhatsApp. So first of all, you click on the WhatsApp app and then you select who you want to send your message to. Below, you can see a broad tab. It's empty, so you just click on it and then you just type whatever message you wish to type. After that, you click on the blue icon at the right. Then your message will be sent to the person. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.